I'm out hiking on one of my favorite trails today, and it's time to stop for a bite of lunch and making one of my very favorites, beanie weenies. I love this stuff. And so today, a little nostalgia. I'm going to use this little hobo tool. I bought this back in probably 1980, 81 at a store in our town that's long since gone out of business. Cornet was a variety store that probably was nationwide, I think. But this is a Colonial. Let's see. Pretty sure I'm going to have to do some manipulation here one-handed. Yeah, okay. So I don't think you can see that, but it says Imperial Ireland. So it has a nice wide spear point blade, wide enough that you could spread butter. Has a can opener, fork, and a spoon. Pretty small. This is kind of typical of the stuff that Boy Scouts would have carried back in the early years. But it's a little small for an adult, but it will do the trick. Cooking on a M71 Swiss stove. A little wobbly. Sure don't want to knock my chow over. See how hot this is getting. Warm. Getting there. Using this zip fuel. It's kind of a British version of Esbit. Works good. Sooty, really sooty fuel, but smells like Christmas. Smells like a fire in the fireplace at Christmas time. Funny how smells can elicit memories. And that's kind of what I'm getting from this. Let it heat up a little more, and then I'll eat it. Yeah, so some old tech, a little old collectible. So thanks for coming along today. We'll talk to you later. So right now, I think it's time to eat.